How to get code from Emergent AI. Need working code without hours of typing? Emergent AI lets you generate, preview, and export code in minutes. Here's how to use it step by step. So start by creating an account in Emergent AI. Log in to access the coding workspace where you'll enter prompts. So in here, go ahead and enter the prompt. So it could be generate a Python script that scrapes product prices from Shopee. Type a clear request. Emergent works best with specific prompts, include language, framework, and task details. Now click on the send button, and Emergent AI will then create that for you. So Emergent generates code instantly. Use the live preview to test snippets, debug errors, and refine outputs before exporting. Once satisfied, you can export your code. You can copy to clipboard, download files, or push directly to GitHub for integration. Paste the code into your IDE like VS Code or PyCharm and run it locally. Emergent also supports fork mode for branching and modifying versions. So Emergent AI is perfect for developers who want quick or working scripts. Use clear prompts, preview carefully, and export with ease. And that is how to get code from Emergent AI.